Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, your go-to place for music marketing tips, digital distribution strategies, and everything artists need to grow online. I'm Valeria Flores, content manager at LabelGrid. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates. Today, we're breaking down the newest social media updates that musicians and artists need to know. Let's talk about how these changes can help you grow your audience and build new income streams. Let's get started. Let's start with TikTok. Live streams are becoming a big focus for the platform, especially with their in-app shopping feature. TikTok is expanding its live shopping broadcasts to more regions including Italy, Germany, France, Japan, and Brazil. This means artists have more chances to sell their merch, promote music, or even offer exclusive live performances directly to fans. The platform is also seeing massive growth in live streaming overall. In 2024, over 100 million creators went live, and 46 million hosted their first ever live stream. That's a huge community engaging with real-time content. TikTok also reported 250K creators doubling their income year over year through live streams, which shows there's real money to be made here. If you're an artist, consider using TikTok live streams not just for performances but for behind-the-scenes moments, Q&A sessions, or merch drops. The more interactive, the better. Now onto Instagram. The platform is rolling out several messaging updates, and here's why that matters for artists. First, you can now translate DMs instantly. If you have an international fan base, this makes connecting with listeners from around the world much easier. They've also added DM scheduling, a great tool for artists managing campaigns or pre-planning merch drops and announcements. You can schedule messages up to 29 days in advance. Another interesting addition is pinned messages. You can pin up to 3 messages at the top of your group or one-on-one chats. This could be useful for keeping important links like pre-save links or upcoming tour dates easily accessible for your most engaged fans. Music is also getting more attention on Instagram. You can now share songs from Instagram's licensed music library directly in DMs with their new music stickers. This means you can drop a 30-second preview of your latest release straight into a fan's inbox, a simple but effective way to promote new music. Lastly, Instagram has introduced partnership testimonials. Brands can now showcase a creator's endorsement as a sponsored comment on a post. If you're collaborating with brands, this is an easy way to highlight partnerships without creating an entire new ad or post. So what's the takeaway? TikTok live streams are becoming more important. Think beyond just performing and look at ways to create interactive experiences. Instagram's DM tools are opening up new ways to engage fans, manage campaigns, and share your music. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated with the latest strategies to grow your music career. See you next time! Bye!